we could just put it like right here, and you have them starting that way and coming this way.
Yeah.
Because
like you have the starting part there, and then like you go through the track and stuff, and then it goes back into that.
Yeah. So we have enough dirt. We could almost put a jump here.
Yeah.
And you whip around, and then you could hit a jump right there.
Yeah.
Or even we could. Nah, never. I don't want to do that. Well, I brought this to do like the heavy work, and then that we'll use to like find stuff. So you just pull that leg right there and shut it off for now. All right, so today we are building a dirt bike track down here, just across the creek here. We got the 2 tractors and a nice pile of dirt there, and we are going to get to work. Put it in here.
Yeah, I think that's enough dirt for that part of the jump, and then start making it about like, how far do you think we have the 2 parts of the jump apart? Okay, take the dirt over, and then I'll like measure part of it. I think that's good for the landing then, yeah. I think, okay, so we start over there, we hit this jump, and I think we can come, and then when we're done making jumps and stuff, then we'll start making berms for the turns and stuff. And then we'll make a turn here, then we need to go into a whoop section. So, well, it's not that much. Good. Okay, do whatever you want.
That's a good hard jump right there. Rookie. There you go. Perfect.
I think if we level this jump off, or if we level this off enough up here, that if like we case it, it's not gonna throw us off too hard. So.
Alright folks, so we got the jumps made. I've never made a track before, I've never made a jump before or anything, and I think they're pretty good for what we did. One here, one here. This is supposed to be the landing, and this is the main jump. And our plan is we come around here, we're gonna whip around that tree, or even just start back there on that trail, hit the jump, go around here, and we have plans to put like the ripply things in there. I don't know what you call them, they're just ripples or whatever. And I think that's a pretty good course. We don't have a ton of room. This is like the one free spot that we're not doing anything with, and that's what we're working on. And it's turned out pretty nice, pretty happy with it. So my brother, he's gonna go up and get the dirt bike. It's a Honda CR230. It's like I think it's like a 2007 or something, but he's gonna go get that. It's a 4-stroke. We're gonna test out this, we're gonna test it out, see how it goes. Alright guys, so we finished the track jump thing, and it's fun. Was it fun? Did you like it? How'd you think? What'd you think?
Sketchy. Sketchiest jump ever.
Really?
It was actually pretty sketchy. I mean, I've never jumped a dirt bike before, so.
Exactly, yeah. Yep, so that's about it for today's video. Thanks you guys for watching, and yeah, hope to see you in the next one, where we actually try to jump it.